Joan. Hey, Joan, you ready to get started?
Ready?
All right, we're going to do your running woman exercise. We're going to do 5 reps. If you have any questions, let me know, and you may begin. Nice shirt.
Thank you.
Inhale, exhale. We can stop the exercise at any time if you feel any pain or discomfort. Thank you for bringing the knee up. Good hip flexion. 5. Matter of fact, you're doing so well, we're going to go to 8. You're going to graduate. Bring that knee up. You got a lot of tension. Exhale. Awesome. And then after that, we're going to spin around after you do 8, and we'll do your glutes. Stand tall, add attention. Your foot's flexed. It's all hip action. Let's do 10 reps. This is your intro round. You're doing so well. This is going to complement your 100-mile bike ride you did this weekend.
10.
After we do 10, we're going to do your inner thighs, one of the most neglected muscles in the industry. So we'll position ourselves. Do you have any questions?
No, I'm going to step this way. Ready?
Perfect. Let's do this. Let's do 5. Inhale, and then you can do the little heel ups. Yeah, perfect. Single leg balance. Smell the roses. Blow out the candles. You graduated again. You may go up to 8 reps. Let's pretend you're holding a ball, and as you step, you press that ball forward, and you come back. Fantastic. As a bonus, I'm going to show you our assistant coach, Xing Xing. Looks good? Yeah, she approves. Good job. And then after we do 8, you're going to say, finito.
Finito.
Awesome job. Let's go to the floor for our floor exercise. Take your time. Don't forget to put the thing underneath your elbow. So we're going to do a low elbow plank with overhead pull, single arm. Knees off the floor. If you feel any low back discomfort, you stop. Inhale as you reach. We do 8. Remember, you want to get that full reach. When you reach, hold it and have your thumb up. That's your form. Now pull. Give me 4 más. Assistant coach Xing Xing wants to check it out. You're doing well. After you do 8, you could just look at the camera and say, I did 8.
I did 8.
Muy bueno. All right, thank you. Let's do the other side.